Hey, this is the Daily Overpass. My name is Eric and I make apps. Now today I want to talk about how perfectionism will kill you. Okay, so it's the end of the week. I've gotten several things done this week, a lot of stuff on my to-do list, but there's one major one that I did not get done. And I'm kind of disappointed in myself. Not because I didn't have time to get it done, because I did have the time. It's just that it's because I became a perfectionist in it, right? A lot of the times I talk to other app developers, I talk to people all over the place, and we become perfectionists at things, which is the reason we don't start things or we don't continue things, or we'll start things but we'll never finish because we become perfectionists. And I talked about this when I started out doing app development. My first app, which I started coding on my own, I never finished and never got it to go live because there was always one little thing I could do, one little thing I could add. I don't like the way that thing works. And there was no hard set deadline to get done, right? And which is the case for lots of things. You know, we procrastinate, or we say, and perfectionism is a way of procrastination, because especially like with apps, one of the things I realized early on was you don't become good at doing it until you get something to go live. That's when you start to learn. That's like going live and having feedback from users is a major part of the process. You can't become an expert before you release the app. That's kind of part of it. So you just have to get something done and get it out the door, right? And it's something that we struggle with all the time. The same with everything, YouTube videos. If you're gonna do anything creative, you have that that sense that I want to become a perfectionist. So so basically what the task was to create a video ad for LinkedIn. So it's nothing that you would ever see, because not unless you own a construction company, right? So the construction industry seems to be one of our major demographics with clients. So I thought, we'll do some ads for LinkedIn, get some people in, and try that out, right? It's just something that I'd like to do, right? So what I should do is just turn the camera on and press record, right? I know from doing the YouTube videos, that's all you have to do. Just turn the camera on, maybe write a little script or something if I wanted to be really formal about it. Turn the camera on and press record. But that's not what I was doing. I was going, well, you know what? I think I want to have some stock footage over here. I want to have this over here. I want to have this over here. And the next thing you know, the entire week is gone and I haven't done any of those. It's not like I haven't put the time in. I put the time in, but I don't have a result because my deadline was soft. I had a soft deadline. I didn't have that hard deadline that by the end of the week, this thing has to go live. We have to get this out there. We have to start getting feedback because we could always change it later, right? I talked before about how I've had friends who are developers who say, yeah, I'm working on this app. It should be done in the next 6 to 9 months. It's for Windows Phone. It was for Windows Phone at the time, which I thought was funny. And it's for Windows Phone. It'd be 6 to 9 months, and we'll get it out there. And he was making it perfect. Like everything, the app was totally error handled all over the place. Get it on the App Store. And there's lots of things that go out there that just are not ready for, there's lots of things that go out there that they thought nothing about marketing. They don't know whether or not the market's going to accept it, if there's going to be a need for it, whether or not the whole branding side of thing they haven't even thought about, because you're not going to know about that until after you go live. And I've always been, get something out there, get something, follow the 80-20 rule, get something that is good enough to go live. If there's a few issues here and there, definitely take care of everything you can, because you're not going to spot every bug before you get it onto all those different types of Android phones, all those different types of iOS phones. You're just not going to know until you actually get it onto the App Store. Start looking at the analytics, start seeing how people use it, start getting the feedback from them. This is confusing, I don't like this, I don't like this icon or whatever. At that point, then but it's just that cold feet. So a lot of people have that trouble with doing apps, and I had that trouble with apps going forward. I didn't want to go live because it's just not good enough yet. Or I'll go right up to the point where, yeah, I'm ready to go live, and then I'll have another idea. You know what? I want to add another thing. I've had this problem with clients too. Like, they just like, do you think this is going to work? They're really like, I think we should add another thing. It's like, no, we need to go live. We don't know what's going to work. We need to put something live. We have assumptions, and we need to test these assumptions out, right? So that's, it's always hard, right? Same with doing YouTube videos, right? My first videos were very much like, I have to be perfectionist. In fact, the first video I ever did, I wrote out a script. I had like a little teleprompter thing, and it was just terrible. I never even released it because it was really, really bad, right? Perfectionism, I just think perfectionism holds you back. Unless you have like that's your job. Like my job this week, I only had that one thing to do, and I had limitless time. I didn't have family things to do. I didn't have other things to do. I didn't have apps that I had to take care of. I didn't have clients I had to talk to. If I could just say, my whole goal this week is to make the perfect LinkedIn video ad, then maybe, but I think even then I still would have found reasons to procrastinate by becoming a perfectionist. So I guess my message today, and I know I've probably talked about this before sometime in the last 360 something videos, that perfectionism will kill you, right? So anyway, that's it. Let me know what you guys think. I mean, and I've heard other people say other things. I said, Eric, I'm from academia, right? And it has to be perfect before you release it, right? Before you publish, it has to be perfect. There's no going back. But with apps, with a lot of things, you could always redo it. If I put an ad on LinkedIn and it tanks, right, I could do another ad, right? It's not it's not like I'm releasing something. It doesn't go to the presses and they're print 10,000 versions and then there's nothing I could do about it. So we're in the software industry. We work with soft things that are fungible and we can change them. Anyway, let me know what you guys think. That's it for today. I'll talk to you guys tomorrow.